Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick review of the internet on Mariner of the Seas. Come check it out. Hey everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time coming to check us out, really appreciate it. We are a small travel agency that specializes in cruise vacations. Our goal here is to give you the best information about cruising so that you can plan and go on an amazing cruise vacation. We'd love for you to subscribe and come along on this journey with us. So let's get into the internet on Mariner of the Seas. Got on the ship on, when did I get on the ship? September 15th? Sure, let's go with it. September 15th of 2023, I was on a 8-day cruise through Bermuda and Bahamas. So this was a cruise that went through a little bit of the tail end of a hurricane, and got a lot of the waves and things from that. But otherwise, it was a beautiful cruise. Just one rocky day going to Bermuda, one little bit rocky day coming home from the Bahamas. Perfect day specifically. So when I got on the ship, signed into the internet, I signed up for, I had 3 devices. I screwed up on this cruise. So I get for being a travel agent, if you go through all the training on Royal Caribbean's website, you get once a year, you get a $50 onboard credit and you get a free internet for one cruise a year. So I put that on for this one. And then I paid for a 2 internet package, so I completely forgot. So I had internet on my phone, my computer, and my iPad, which is very rare. Don't need it for all of those, but I had it. And I got on, signed into the internet, and I literally never had to reconnect, never had to relog on, never had any blips or any outages or anything like that. I shut off the internet a few times in Bermuda and in the Bahamas. I use AT&T as my cell phone carrier, and I get the $10 a day in Bermuda and in the Bahamas. So when I got off the ship, I could still have my phone access and everything like that. Every time I got back on the ship, I reconnected to the Wi-Fi, connected flawlessly. No issues with the internet at all. It was fantastic. Usually I cannot upload YouTube shorts. Like my last cruise on NCL Joy, I couldn't upload a YouTube short. It was 40 seconds. I couldn't upload it to YouTube. It just would not go. I've tried to upload vlogs before on Royal and Norwegian, and it'll take sometimes 18 to 20 hours to upload a video, like a 9 or 7 minute video, something short, always under 10 minutes. No working at all. But on this cruise, I was able to update my vlogs and upload them every day in less than 30 minutes, which is unheard of on a cruise ship. It usually takes about 5 minutes at home, but the internet was spectacular. So I have a few comments on why I think it was really good. One, I feel like Starlink on Royal has been active now for a little bit, probably the better part of this year. So I think they've optimized the network and everything is going well there. I think more satellites are being launched, so it's creating better connectivity and different things like that. All of that's great. I also think that there were no kids on this cruise, which is a very limited amount of children on the cruise. So, of course, kids are on the internet and on their phones all the time. If you've ever been on a cruise and there's a ton of teenagers, it's all they're doing. It's all they're doing in real life. So, and all of us are for the most part, right? It's not just kids. But on a cruise specifically, the kids are on TikTok and Instagram and everything all day. Or watching videos on Netflix or whatever, because people are streaming, those type of things. So we didn't have any of that. And the internet was amazing. A lot of people always watch these videos and they'll comment doesn't mean anything if you don't have a speed test. Let me tell you a little bit about speed tests. So if you do a speed test, what a speed test does is it tests the download and upload speed from your particular location. The issue with doing that on cruise ships, or really most networks that are not your home or your work, even at work sometimes, but hops. So hops are the amount of routers and different things that you go through to get to the internet. Those are extraordinarily long on cruise ships. Sometimes you might jump from an access point to another access point to a router to a bridge to whatever to get out to the internet. So that's going to kill your speed test anyway. So I don't put any stock in speed tests on cruise ships, or if you're in any kind of complicated network. So for me, I just go by the eye test. Is it good? Is it working? Can I download? Can I upload? All of those things were great. I downloaded a full season of something on Netflix at night. I always try to be respectful of the internet, and I try to, if I'm downloading or uploading, I do it late at night. So I did those things. They all downloaded flawlessly, very quickly. So great internet. If you're getting on Mariner of the Seas, enjoy the internet. It is amazing. Thanks everyone so much. Again, we'd love for you to subscribe, come along on this with us, and we will see everybody tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.